Hey guys, I'm Devon Harris. Do you know what today is? Friday, March 20th. It's the International Day of Happiness. Yeah man, don't worry. Be happy. They are suggesting 3 positive steps that each of us can take. Keep calm, stay wise, be kind. Keep calm, stay wise, be kind. I can't think of any better advice or anything more positive that we could do during these uncertain times as we're caught in the grips of this pandemic created by the coronavirus. We definitely should keep calm, because for sure these are chaotic times. There's so much uncertainty swirling around that many of us feel as if we have absolutely no control of our lives. The fact of the matter is though that there's so much that we have absolutely no control over. We certainly have no direct control over how long this thing is going to last, nor do we have any control over the economic carnage it's going to leave in its path. But do you know what we have control over? How we respond. Some of us, because of the situation, feel anxious, feel fearful. And I would say, hey, take a time out. Breathe. Breathe. Focus. Focus on the positive things you can do to bring yourself through this. That sounds like a sensible thing to do. So let's stay wise as well. Look, the choices that we make all have consequences. I think we all know that. And when you operate from a narrow perspective, you tend to make decisions that only benefit your own self-interest. Operating from a broader perspective gives you the ability to see multiple dimensions of the same situation and hence make decisions that are going to benefit everyone around us. And so I'm asking you to be mindful of that, right? Pay attention to the decisions, the actions that you're taking, especially during this time as we confront this really contagious, this infectious virus. I think the onus is on each of us to make choices that are going to help everyone, because each of us need all of us and all of us need each of us. So let's make and choose positive actions that are going to support our own well-being, and at the same time let's help others to do the same. That sounds like the kind thing for us to do. So yeah, be kind, be friendly, be generous, be considerate. And that includes yourself. That includes yourself. I know, again, you may be so frustrated because of what's going on and you feel like lashing out against yourself instead of taking out your anger and your frustration on those around you. And I would say, hey, speak gently to yourself. Speak kindly to yourself. Take care of yourself and take care of those around you as well. I mean, in this day and age of, social distancing, self-isolation, right? It's very likely that many people are going to feel vulnerable and lonely. So make sure you reach out to them. I mean, we're all in this together. So reach out to them, connect with them, reassure them that they are not alone. So keep calm, stay wise, be kind. I am Devon Harris, and as always, keep on pushing.